Welcome to my channel. I'm Elizabeth and today I will show you how to make face mask. This face mask have two functions. There is a filter like this, and if you want 3D mask, you can inside out like this, and this is a 3D mask. I hope you like it, and don't forget like, subscribe, comment and share my video. Now let's prepare the material that we will use to make this mask. The materials are fabric. You need two kinds of fabric: scissors, thread and needle, clip or straight pin, elastic, safety pin, or this is for change for the pin, ruler, pen or pencil and paper. The first step, you make a pattern for the face mask. And the length of 28 centimeter and the width of 11 centimeter, and you cut like this. You give the center mark here and you fold like this. Yeah, this is, and you fold and take 3 centimeter okay, and this is also 3 centimeter, and you connect. After that, you take 3.5 centimeter from here to here and here to here, 3.5 centimeter. Yeah, and you give the point here and you connect this point and here, and you connect like this. Okay, and this one you have two connection line. After that, you take 5.5 centimeter from here to here, this one, 5.5 centimeter, and here also 5.5 centimeter, and this is the middle. And then you take half or 0.5, also this one, and then you connect from here to here. Okay, this one, you connect, like this. Okay, and you cut this line. You cut and you cut this one. Okay. This way, and you open, and this is the pattern. After you made a pattern, you copy the pattern on the fabric and this fabric, but you need to kind. This is, you give 2 centimeter, and this is also 2 centimeter. Okay, this is unit 2 to fabric, and this is for filter. You need also 2 fabric. Yeah, so you have 4 kind of fabric. Okay, first you need to this one. Yeah, you have to and then after you fold, you also copy 2, this one and this one. Okay, you put the first fabric here, and for the filter you fold the fabric in half, this one, put here, also this one, like this. You give the space 2 centimeter. Yeah. And now the other fabric you turn like this. So you can have 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Skewer with a straight pin. Or you can skewer by pin like this. And start sewing from here. Keep sewing to here. So don't sew, don't sew. Again, you start sewing from here to here. Yeah. After you sewing here and here, this is still open. And you turn the fabric from here. Okay. Like this. This one. You iron first. And this is for the filter. And now you fold this one. And sew from here to here. Do the same process with the other side. You fold like this, sew here to here. Like this. The last step, you take a elastic, the length of 20 centimeter and the width of half or 0.5 centimeter. You give the safety pin and you insert from here, or you can have the other tool. You insert here this one and you pull this and you tie. Do the same process with the other side like this. And now you have a mask that have two functions. There is a mask with a filter. You can use with filter, or if you want 3D mask, you can turn like this. And the face mask has been done. Thank you. Bye bye.